Is vitamin D important for the health of your gut? Absolutely. I'm Dr. Dave Morris with Magnolia Medical Center here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and there's mounting evidence. We used to think many years ago that vitamin D was only good for bone health. Now we know conclusively that vitamin D is needed. There's a receptor site for vitamin D on every single cell in your body. But there's a lot of new evidence that says diverticulitis, inflammatory bowel disease, celiac, any type of bowel disease basically has a link to vitamin D deficiency. So now the reason I'm talking about this isn't just so you run out and get some vitamin D. I'm talking about it because about 6 months ago, I read an article that said we should not be screening people for vitamin D deficiency. That was the article that came out, probably written by some insurance company who didn't want to pay for vitamin D testing. But they basically said, look, it's not important that we screen for vitamin D. Yet here there's another article out of thousands, tens of thousands of articles that show and demonstrate the power and importance of vitamin D. And the vast majority of people in the United States, in industrialized nations, are vitamin D deficient because they spend too much time inside. They're not eating enough healthy fats and then they're not getting outside to convert cholesterol in the skin to vitamin D. They live in an area where the UVB rays do not penetrate the atmosphere and therefore don't interact with cholesterol in the skin to create vitamin D. And that's right, by the way, you need cholesterol. You can get vitamin D from food, but if your body's going to create vitamin D, it can do that, but it has to do it from cholesterol in the skin and the interaction of UVB rays, cholesterol in the skin. That's how we make vitamin D in our body. Again, you can get it from diet, you can get it from a supplement. Best formula that I've seen for a prophylactic level of vitamin D, this is the best formula I've ever seen, but I'm not telling you what to do on the internet. Disclaimer here is take your body weight, whatever that is in pounds. I don't know what this is in kilograms. I'm from America. So we're the imperial system. So take your body weight in pounds. So if you weigh 100 pounds, multiply it by 35. So if you weighed 100 pounds, that'd be 3,500. That's the minimum number of international units you should be taking per day. That's the minimum. On a prophylactic level, if you're deficient, you're going to need to take more than that, all right? So that would be the minimum. So again, this is how important, based on the article, how vitamin D is vitally important for your gut health. However, it's important for every single tissue in your body. Every cell has a receptor site for it. I hope you found this information helpful. Hit the share button for me. Somebody else might need this information. We want to help people without the use of drugs and surgery. That's what we do at Magnolia Medical. Root cause functional medicine. Get people well without the use of drugs and surgery. Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the follow button. Take care today.